This is a BabaNarratives original, Before the Rain. Once you hear the voice, you're part of the story. It started on a morning that smelled like wet roads and old memories. She stood at the bus stop sketching the rain, not realizing how close the past was about to walk back into her life. He used to walk this road with her every day. Now they shared a few steps under an old umbrella, pretending nothing had changed. She asked how he was. He said, "Still late for everything." She smiled. Some things never change. And for the first time in years, it didn't feel awkward anymore. When the rain finally stopped, they didn't rush to leave. He walked her home, both quiet, both knowing some things don't need promises to feel true. At her door he said, "Maybe next time I'll bring coffee instead of an umbrella." She smiled. "Only if it rains again." And he swore he could already hear thunder